Hello folks, today I have for you another Parkside product review video. This time is for this air wedge set. As you can see from the illustration and from the description, you can use those for installing windows, kitchen units or hanging doors. They have a maximum load capacity of 135 kilos. So let's open and see what we have inside. We have the air wedge set, manual. Those look a lot like blood pressure cuffs. You have the pump here with this metallic valve. The material looks quite solid. Well, from what I can see, they'll give you about 2 to 3 centimeters of clearance, maybe 4. And I'm thinking to perform a very simple test. This is my bed, which is quite heavy. So let's see if we can lift it with the air wedge set. So I cannot put my fingers beneath it. Now, as you can see, there's plenty of space and a lot of dust. Let's open the valve. My overall opinion, those are quite handy and you can use them not only for installing windows or kitchen sinks, but in a lot more applications, and they're quite cheap, 6 euros. So go and buy one set.